Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, OPPO F23, and now I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. So, firstly, remember one rule: never fill up your internal storage over the 70%. So, open settings, scroll down, find about device, and find storage. As you can see, I have used only 30 gigabytes of 256, and if you will fill up over the 70%, maybe it's here. After you will fill up your internal storage over the 70%, of course your device will start slowing down. This rule works for every device you have, for smartwatches, for computer with PC or with macOS, for iOS devices, for every device. The second aspect that can slow down your device is the lack of RAM. So I suggest you open the RAM expansion and choose here 6, 4 or 8 gigabytes. I suggest to use 6 gigabytes. This feature use your internal storage as a RAM, part of your internal storage as a RAM. Of course, it's not too speed RAM, too fast RAM, but it's better than have a less RAM. And of course, you need to click restart now, but I will click not now because I don't want to restart my device right now. That's cool. And the last aspect is the junk file. So open the file manager, it's pre-installed app on the device, and click optimize. Wait a while, and great, I have optimized my device. Click done. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to the other channel, and bye. See you.